Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of super cool Iwata's airbrush kit. So it comes in a packaging like this. Iwata is a Japanese brand. Many of you must be knowing it as well. It comes with a quick start guide. Here is the guide of how to use this airbrush gun. It is super beneficial for the beginners and freshers because it is surely going to add up to your knowledge. So this is how the inside packaging looks like. Okay, let's show you guys the gun. So it is a dual action airbrush, which means that you can control both product and air with the help of this trigger. I mean, jitna bhi pressure aap chahte ho, you can control with this trigger, right? So this is a nozzle and you can add up the product in this. Also guys, this is a detachable cup, which is my favorite part, and you can put on this cup as well. And if you want like small quantity or small amount of blusher or highlighter or say any foundation, you can use this cup as well. Okay, and this is the wrench which comes along with the tool, airbrush gun. Okay, so coming back to the airbrush kit, the airbrush kit works with the compressor. This is the 3.0 Neo Air compressor. This too is from the brand Iwata. Okay. So this is the Neo Air mini compact compressor. How cool, guys. I mean, just look at the compact size of this compressor. It is so handy and convenient to take it to places. This comes with the power socket, of course, and these are the international accessories along with the compressor. Now coming back to the foundation shades which we are going to add to the airbrush gun. So these are the 9 foundation shades, in which 6 are the foundation shades, 2 are for the blushers and 1 is for the highlighter. For example, I am going to show you some. Okay, these are the foundations. These are silicone based foundations. Okay, so we have 6 silicone based foundations, and we have these 2 blushers. These are my favorite colors. I mean, one is peachy pink and one is dewy pink, and one is the highlighter. This is the highlighter, and if you find it too gold, you can add up 2-3 drops of silver highlighter as well, or any other liquid highlighter you're having in your makeup vanity. Okay, and it comes with the airbrush cleaner water as well. Basically, you can add micellar water or any airbrush cleaner water in the gun to just clean it after how many makeups you have done, no matter. Okay, so coming back to my favorite part, I'm going to show you some really cool and really interesting products which are my favorite. Truly, they are non-sponsored and they are my favorite. Okay, so number 1, this is HD Glow Oil Moisturizer Primer. This gives you an instant glow on the skin for like 12 to 15 hours. I mean, just 2-3 drops on the face are sufficient. This is my most favorite glow oil, especially for the brides. I mean, you want that glow for really 12 to 15 good hours. So this is the glow oil primer. Okay, so, and second, this is the makeup brush cleaner and sanitizer spray. I mean, there is a hustle of cleaning the brushes with the water or with the mild shampoo, etc, etc, but that hustle gets over with this makeup fixer, because you just have to spray it once, since if you prefer hygiene and that too in front of the clients, it looks so good that you are sanitizing your brushes again and again. Okay, coming back to the third product, this is the My Corners Cosmo HD Makeup Fix SB Diluter. Diluter, the word itself means it is going to dilute up the products. Products as in, it is going to dilute up your any of the thick foundations. For example, let's talk about Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty in itself has a really dry base. So if you are planning to use such kind of foundations, you can thin up your foundations with just 1 or 2 drops, I guess, with this SB diluter, and it glides onto your skin perfectly. No more patchiness, nothing. Okay, now another one. This is also a really cool product. This is an anti-aging dark circles corrector. Corrector itself means this is going to reduce the puffiness under your eyes. You can apply it under your eyes, or you can use it in the skin prep and prime for your brides as well, and you can add up in your skincare regime as well. Okay, and we get a color wheel with this as well. I have ordered a color wheel as well to know the color combinations. Okay, so this was all, and one most important thing I would like to know you, I would like to tell you all, I'm so sorry, that you cannot use any flaky products in this airbrush gun. Flaky as in, this anti-aging product has some flakes inside it. So these flakes will get stuck in your airbrush gun and it can ruin your gun, you know. So avoid using such kind of products. Only liquid products you can use in your gun. And instead of your silicone based foundations, you can use any of your liquid foundations. Let's take it NARS, Huda Beauty, etc, etc. Any of your foundations will work well in the gun. And you get an online DVD with this, plus an international certification which is valid in 55 countries, I guess. Also, you guys get a 5-year warranty with these Iwata's airbrush kit and compressor, both products. So coming to an end, thank you so much guys for watching my video. Do let me know in the comment section how did you find this video, and if you want any more detailed knowledge of any of the products, just let me know in the comments. I'll definitely come back to you. Thank you. Have a good day, you all.